Hello everyone, welcome to Ielts Mate. This video is going to cover another essay topic. The question for the topic is: some people think children have too much freedom as compared to the past. What are the reasons? Is it a positive and negative development? In the questions where you are required to mention is it a positive or negative development, you can answer the question with three approaches. First, you can only say that it's positive development by mentioning only positive points in your answer. Second, you can say that it's a negative development and then you will have to mention only negative points in your answer. And the third is that you'll say that any one aspect is more heavier than the other. Means you cannot say at any cost that both it has both equal positive and negative points, because that would not look like a strong opinion. So if you want to have a strong opinion, you'll either say it's positive development, negative, or it's completely a negative development. Or you can also say that its positive aspects are more heavier than the negative aspects. In that case, you will have to mention both the aspects. Now let us look at the introduction of this question. The question, I repeat the question, is: some people think that children have too much freedom as compared to the past. They have too much freedom. It is comparing the freedom of present with the freedom available to the children in the past. Coming to introduction, it is irrefutable that, or it is axiomatic that, autonomy. Irrefutable and axiomatic means it is undeniable that. Irrefutable or axiomatic means undeniable, means it cannot be denied. It is irrefutable that autonomy at the disposal of offsprings nowadays is unparalleled. Now what do you mean by at the disposal? At the disposal of. Autonomy means freedom. Autonomy at the disposal of offspring is undeniable. Now at the disposal means, at the disposal of means for the use of. If something is available with us for our use, then you can say that the thing is available with us at our disposal. Just look at the example, another example of the sentence at the disposal. For example, if I have lot of technical gadgets in my home, then I will say that I have lot of technical gadgets at my disposal. So autonomy at the disposal of offsprings means autonomy available with the kids. So autonomy at the disposal of offsprings nowadays is unparalleled or unprecedented. Unparalleled means unmatched, incomparable, which cannot be compared with anything, cannot be matched with anything. It is so much that it cannot be compared with anything. Unprecedented. Unprecedented means never known before. It's quite important word. Unprecedented means never known before or never done before. So if something has not happened before, ever before, then you can say that it's unprecedented, means in the past it has never been known before, or it has never happened before. Autonomy at the disposal of the offspring nowadays is unparalleled or unprecedented. Or you can also say autonomy at the disposal of the offsprings is greater as compared to the past. Then there is thesis statement: despite few untoward repercussions. Untoward means unwelcomed repercussions. Repercussions means negative points. So despite few negative points, I perceive it as overall a favorable trend. I perceive it means I consider it overall a favorable trend. So here I have acknowledged that there are few negative aspects, negative points, but still I believe that it's overall a positive development. That is why in the answer also I have mentioned both positive and negative points, but I have mentioned more positive points as compared to the negative points according to my thesis statements, means matching with my thesis statement. So despite few untoward repercussions means, despite means के बावजूद in Hindi, or you can also say in spite of few untoward. Untoward means unwelcomed repercussions or ramifications. Untoward is generally a negative word and used with some consequence. If some consequences unwelcome, then you can say that it's untoward consequence. So untoward means unwelcomed, repercussion means negative, some negative consequence. So repercussion and ramification, both the words are used for negative consequences. Despite few untoward repercussions, I perceive it as overall I perceive it as overall a favorable trend. This essay will elucidate the contributing factors, means reasons, and the pros and cons of this phenomenon. Phenomenon is the word which you can use in every essay where there is a trend has been described. For example, if so and so is happening nowadays, so you can instead of writing the whole question again and again, you can use the word phenomenon. But this can be used only if a particular trend has been described in the question. Like if something is really happening in today's era, then you can use the word phenomenon, means it is used for the trend, means it can be called as synonym of trend. The first BP goes like this, and it contains the reasons, because reasons were also asked in the question. To embark upon means to start with. To embark upon, it's just a start. It's just written to start the questions. Embark means start. To embark upon, plethora of factors can be attributed to the accessibility of excessive liberty to the kids. Attributed to means plethora of factors are responsible for. But plethora of factors are, if you want to say plethora of factors are responsible for this particular thing, then you can say plethora of factors can be attributed to that thing. Attributed to in हिंदी मीन्स को जिम्मेदार ठहराया जा सकता है, बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स को जिम्मेदार ठहराया जा सकता है इस चीज़ का. सो प्लेथरा ऑफ फैक्टर्स को जिम्मेदार ठहराया जा सकता है. सो प्लेथरा ऑफ फैक्टर्स कैन बी attributed to accessibility of excessive liberty to the kids. Excessive means extra liberty, accessibility means availability. Or instead of writing all this accessibility of excessive liberty, you can also write the word phenomenon. So plethora of factors can be attributed to this phenomenon, or you can also say plethora of factors can be attributed to excessive liberty to the kids. Primarily, folks are running a rat race in the pursuit of luxurious life. Folks are running a rat race in the pursuit of means they are running behind the luxurious life. If we are in pursuit of anything, then it means that we are running behind it. For example, Ielts students are in the pursuit of good bands, means they are running to get the good bands means they are chasing good bands. So in such cases you can use this word pursuit of. So people are running a rat race in the pursuit of luxurious life, or you can simply say people are in the pursuit of luxurious life, owing to which. Now what do you mean by owing to which, or as an implication of which? Both these means because of which. Owing to which means because of which. Now owing to means because of which, but as an implication of which means as a result of which. So owing to which is explaining because of which, and as an implication of which is also saying as a result of which. So both these linkers are used to describe the result of the first line. So we'll say first line, and then to tell the result of the first line mentioned, you will say owing to which means what would be the result. Owing to which means जिसके कारण in Hindi, जिसके कारण in Hindi. As an implication of which or owing to which means जिसके कारण. Both the parents are working these days. So I have said people are running rat race in the pursuit of luxurious life, owing to which both the parents are working these days, leaving the children unattended at home, leaving the children unattended at home. This consequently expose the progenies to freedom. This consequently expose the progeny and juveniles, both are used for children, to freedom. This expose them to freedom means this makes them open to the freedom. Means if we are exposed to something, then something is means open to us, and we are facing that particular thing. For example, nowadays children are exposed to media, they are exposed to movies, means they are continuously experiencing that particular thing. So if we are exposed to something, we experience that thing. So this consequently expose them to freedom. ये उनको freedom की तरफ expose कर देता है, means उनको experience करवाता है freedom का. I have given two reasons in the question, since question was asking about what are the reasons. So if there are reasons means plural, so it is asking for two reasons at least. So second reason has also been given. Now before reading this, please understand what reason I have actually given. I have given the reason that the parents, because the question asked for the reason why children are having so much freedom. The question was like children were having so much freedom, what are the reasons? So in this second point I have given the reason that that now parents has realized the importance of the freedom for the kid, for the development of the kid. That is why they are giving the freedom. Now let's see how we have written this reason. Second reason is the awareness of the parents. So I have directly started with the main idea, which is awareness of the parents. Now rather than writing directly parents realize the importance of freedom, I have written it in a different way. Awareness of parents. Second reason is the awareness of parents or progenitors. Progenitors also means parents, pertaining to the significance of liberty. Pertaining to means related to or regarding significance of liberty. Significance means importance, so they know the significance of liberty. Instead of writing this, I have written awareness of the parents regarding significance of liberty. Bestowed to children. Bestowed or conferred means given to children. Liberty bestowed to children means liberty given to children, or conferred also means given to children. So this word bestowed and conferred means given. To be more precise means to be more clear. So we use this linker to be more precise. If we want to elaborate the previous point, to be more precise means to be more clear. Today's parents are mindful or sensitized. This word mindful and sensitized means aware. Today's parents are aware. Instead of writing aware, I have written mindful or sensitized of the fact that the more would be the freedom, given to the children, the more would be the freedom given to the children, the more experience they would amass means gather. So instead of writing the conditional sentence, if they will be given more freedom, they will get more experience, I have written it in a different way. I've given grammatical range by writing it in a different way. This is also a kind of simple way. The more would be the freedom, the more experience they would get. You can also make many more sentences like this. For example, the more you work hard, the more scores